What's going on, y'all? Johnny J here with another video. To be more specific, I'm here with another unboxing video. So if you have been watching videos on my channel, the first unboxing I ever did on my channel was resistance bands. So if you are curious to see more about that, go on my channel and watch that video. I'm still using those resistance bands, still pretty good. I might do an update, I don't know. But anyways, this is a different type of video. This goes more into the tech part of unboxing. This right here is me unboxing my brand new iPhone 12 mini. Now, I bought this before Christmas, so this isn't really a Christmas present. This isn't like a Christmas unboxing because this is after Christmas that I'm doing this video. But I haven't really got too much stuff for myself recently, so I guess it's a present for myself. Anyways, going into this video, I haven't had a phone, a new phone in a long time, so I decided to get myself a phone. And I was doing a lot of research, and I was like, all right, cool, let me get a new iPhone. And I was going to get the regular iPhone, but then I found that they was coming out with the 12 mini, the 12 Pro, and I was like, all right, cool, I'll wait for those to come out. They came out, and then I decided to get the mini because I was like, you know what, I want the feeling of an actual phone in my hand, because I feel like phones these days are just too big, and I just want something smaller that could have like a better grip on. So I decided to purchase the iPhone 12 mini, and I'm excited to start using this phone. Like I said, I bought it way before Christmas, and I'm just now unboxing it. Usually when it comes to me buying stuff, if I don't have like an immediate need for it, it's gonna take me a while before I open it up. And right now I'm kind of in the need for the use of a new phone, because the phone I'm using right now, pretty old phone, and the battery is not lasting too long. Like, I would charge it, and then maybe like an hour, 2 hours later, after just a little bit of use, it's already like halfway gone. So I was like, you know what? It's time for me to finally open up this phone and start using it, get used to it. I bought it so it would be smart for me to actually start using the device. The iPhone 12 mini that I bought is the 128 gigabyte version, and it's the product red version. And at the time of me buying it, I'm not sure about now, but they said the funds for buying the phone will go into, I guess, COVID research. So that's pretty cool. That's a little bonus. And you know, the reason I bought the red one is because I personally have a lot of black stuff in my room. So I was like, cool, I'm not gonna get the black because of that. White, that gets dirty pretty quick, and then the other colors I wasn't blown away by. But here's the box. So let's get into this unboxing right now. This is what you guys have been waiting for. Let's go. So I'm gonna open this up right now. Let's see, I don't even need scissors on here. I just pop this open. Okay, actually I do need scissors. And cut this part off. Dang, they wrap this all the way up within the box. That's cool. Let's go. Okay, here is the case for the iPhone 12 mini product red. Okay, so on the back, it tells you what it comes with. Of course, the iPhone 12 mini, USB-C to lightning cable, power adapter, and headphones are sold separately. And then it says what it supports and all that good stuff. But that's pretty standard, like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, LTE, 5G. That's what it supports mostly. Everything else is just like, you know, tech geeks and like that stuff. So we're not gonna get into that. Let's just open this up right now. Ooh, I've not had a new phone in so long, like I said, so it's pretty cool. Okay, let's open it up. Okay. So far, I already like the finish on here. It has the 2 cameras, so that's pretty cool. Let's see. Okay, so here's the USB-C to lightning cable right here. What's this? It said designed by Apple in California. What is this? Oh, it's just like stickers. It says product red on here. What else? Oh, that's the little pin to pop open for the SIMs card. So yeah, that's pretty cool because I would before this how long it's been since I got a phone. They didn't include that. But the last time I had purchased the phone, they didn't include that. So here it is. Has this little covering on it. This is the phone. Nice clean finish. I kind of like it. It's not like super red. It's not real red. It's a little more of a lighter red, I would say, but it still like stands out to a point. Of course, it has the Apple logo on here, and then it says product red right here on the back, so that's cool. The sides, the bottom, so you can plug in your USB-C to Lightning cable. Let's open it. Oh, that's clean. And the front is just, of course, black. I'm not going to turn this on because this is an unboxing, so I'm just pretty much just looking over everything. But right now, it looks real clean. I like it a lot. So I'm going to be very excited when I start using this phone. I already got the case for it. I already got the screen protector for it. I always have to get those for the devices I use. Just personally, I always just like to just have something just to cover the phone so I don't damage it. It fits really well in my hands. I have smaller hands. That's another reason why I kind of went for the mini. Because like I said before, I don't like those big phones. It was just getting too big for me, honestly. If I wanted to get a big phone for watching movies or watching videos, I just have my laptop or tablet. I can just watch those on. For a phone, I just needed a phone. So this feels really good in my hands. I could definitely see myself having a lot of grip on this, me sliding in my pocket without having to just move stuff around. So this is real cool. I like this a lot. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna put this back on here. Yeah, put that back on here, put that over here. But yeah, that is the unboxing for my brand new iPhone 12 mini product red version. And remember, if you buy the product red version of this iPhone 12 mini, it will be going to funds for COVID relief, COVID research funding for all that. So, I mean, that's at least when I purchased the phone. So I don't know about now. It still may be that way because COVID is still such a huge thing, a huge pandemic that's going on right now. So right now, really like it. Looks real dope so far. It feels real good, real clean, real smooth, real sleek. Give it a thumbs up. And that's my review of the brand new iPhone 12 mini. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my social media sites, links in the description box down below. The more products I get, the more unboxings I do for my channel, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, this is Johnny J, and I am out.